This video is all about MF Ghost, the first 9 episodes. MF Ghost is a sequel to Initial D. Unfortunately, wala dito si Takumi Fujiwara. Ang bida dito ay si Katagiri Kanata. At first, akala ko anak siya ni Takumi. Yun pala, estudyante siya ni Takumi. After the events of Initial D, nagpunta si Takumi sa Europe para mag-rally racing. Unfortunately, na-aksidente siya doon so he doesn't race anymore. Instead, naging racing instructor siya. Backstory lang yun, all of that happened off-screen. I just thought Takumi fans would want to know. So going back, si Katagiri Kanata ay pumunta ng Japan para hanapin ang kanyang tatay. That's why I thought tatay niya si Takumi. So by joining the MFG race, baka makita siya ng tatay niya. So with the help of family, friends, and a few connections, nakahanap siya ng sasakyan na pwedeng i-race. And that car happens to be a Toyota 86, the same kind of car na nakita ni Takumi dun sa end ng Initial D. Kaya lang dun sa qualifying race, yung time ni Katagiri is pang 16th place lang. You have to be top 15 to qualify for the race. Fortunately, mayroong isang na-disqualify kaya na-bump up siya into rank 15, qualifying him for the MFG race. For the first round ng race, Katagiri was able to finish 9th place. For the details of the qualifying race and the first round ng race, mas maganda kung panoorin nyo na lang. Kung napanood nyo yung Initial D, I'm sure mas prefer nyo na panoorin na lang din instead of me describing play-by-play. So if you're subscribed to Prime, meron siya doon. Or like I've said before, you can always beep.